Welcome to episode 2 of Chris and I's experience here at the Outer Banks. I'm going to go see what Chris is up to. Oh, by the way, I got a new piece of gear for all you gearheads out there. So this is the new Ronin RS2 that I'm really excited about using with our Canon EOS R. So, can't wait to use that. Sorry, I got a little distracted. Okay, let's go up here to Command Central. Chris is planning on organizing because we have decided to make today a beach day.
Yeah, and we had no idea how far all the beaches are spread apart on the Outer Banks. So just learning as we get here that some of the beaches are, probably the top beaches are anywhere from 30 to 45 miles from where we're staying at Camp Hatteras. So
wow.
Yeah.
So we'll have a little bit of driving to do today.
I know, but at least we're oceanside the whole time, so the scenery is going to be great.
Yeah, but don't you like her setup, guys? She's got the iPad going, and then she's got our Furion camera system mounted over there. You look legit, like you're ready to launch a NASA rocket.
Oh, yeah. I don't know about that.
All right, well, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and we are going to head to some beaches and hopefully have some pretty footage for you guys to look at.
Yeah, Corolla Beach, first one.
Corolla Beach. Okay, we're live here with Debbie. She's going to tell us a little bit about the lighthouse.
This is the Currituck Beach Lighthouse. It was first illuminated in 1875. Inside are 220 steps, and 202 of those steps are on a metal spiral staircase that are open, so you can see through them. There's 9 landings, so you can climb a little bit and rest if you want. It's 145 years old, so it was built before today's standards in construction and safety codes. So take your time when you climb and be careful. It's still functioning. It's automated. The houses around us used to be the lighthouse keepers' homes. There's 3 families living here at one time. The house behind us is the gift store now.
Oh, wow. And it's how much to climb up?
It is $10 to climb. We take cash and we take credit cards.
Nice. See, that's new technology. Yeah. Well, thank you, Debbie. I appreciate that information.
You're welcome.
Chris and I are here at the Currituck Light Station. Lighthouse, and we are getting ready to walk to the top, 200 steps. So it's cool in here, a little hot outside.
I know, I was worried it's hot and humid outside, but it's really nice and cool in here, which definitely will help. Nothing like chimney rock with the 500 stairs. So
yeah, so we had quite a detour today. We were going to hopefully get to see the horses. We drove up this way and found out that you really need to get on a four-wheel drive tour to go see the horses. So unfortunately, we're not going to see the horses today, but we drove up here, and here we are at the lighthouse. So, you know, we changed plans, deviated from the plan, and here we are. So we're going to huff and puff ourselves up the stairs.
Yeah.
So we made it to the top.
All 200 stairs.
And I hope you guys didn't count our pauses on the way up, because that was just for camera work only, to give you guys a perspective of what it was like. Well, really, okay, it's both.
Well, it is nice for those who need to stop and rest and catch your breath. You have a lot of opportunities to do that on the way up.
Yeah, and, once you get up here though, the view is just
oh my gosh,
spectacular.
It's spectacular, yeah.
And it's a little windy up here, but it's not too bad. But you could just hang out up here at the top and just enjoy the view. So we shot some video footage. You'll get to see that. Definitely, if you come out this way, you definitely have to check this out for 10 bucks.
Oh, it's definitely
worth the 10 bucks. You get a little exercise and amazing views all at the same time.
Can't beat that.
Can't beat that.
We ran wild through every season, lit a fire to warm the world. A love so easy to believe in. You're saying I'm your favorite girl.
So we accidentally found this park. It's actually sitting right next to the Currituck Lighthouse, and it's so charming. Oh my gosh, like I could spend all day here. I don't know if you can see the bridge behind us, but there's this just amazing like storyteller bridge behind us, and we're out on a pier right now. So
sitting under a pavilion.
A pavilion, and like the park is practically empty. We have it to ourselves.
So peaceful.
It is. Oh my gosh. So if you come to the area, you definitely have to come and just spend some time here at this park next to the lighthouse. It'd be a great place to have a picnic.
Yeah, because like we said, we accidentally found this place because we were coming to what we thought was to look at the horses that roam free here, and that ended up not working out. But then the Currituck Lighthouse was here, so we stumbled upon that, and that was really cool. And then this park is right nearby, and it's just beautiful.
Yeah, well, we had planned to do a tour of all the lighthouses. Honestly, we hadn't really even researched it. We figured we'd do one day at a time, and we ended up, accidentally happening into the one today. So, love those kind of happenstances.
Yeah, and that's why I like our name MK Experience, because it's all experience, right? Like you just never know what's going to happen, what you might stumble on. You make plans, you do your best, and you get out there, and then you just have to readjust, and you find beautiful parks.
Yeah,
like this.
Definitely making the best of it.
We were open-ended.